This topic is important for IGCS, O-Level, HSS, PMS, CSS and Pearson at Excel. Please like and subscribe this channel by Sir Nader Ali Mob. Seasonal variations in precipitation and temperature are natural changes that occur in different regions throughout the year. These variations are influenced by various factors, including the Earth's tilt, the movement of air masses, ocean currents, and geographical features. Understanding these patterns is essential for climate predictions, agriculture planning, and water resource management. In Pakistan, two significant phenomena, the southwest monsoon and western disturbances, play crucial roles in shaping the country's seasonal variations in precipitation and temperature. 1. Southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon is a seasonal wind system that brings abundant rainfall to the Indian subcontinent, including Pakistan, during the summer months. This monsoon is a result of the differential heating of land and sea surfaces. Characteristics of the southwest monsoon in Pakistan. Timeframe. The monsoon season in Pakistan typically occurs from June to September, with the highest rainfall during July and August. Source of moisture. The southwest monsoon is characterized by the influx of moisture-laden winds from the Indian Ocean. These winds travel across the warm Arabian Sea and gather moisture, which is then released as rain over land areas. Southwesterly winds. During the monsoon season, the prevailing winds blow from the southwest, hence the name southwest monsoon. Causes of the southwest monsoon in Pakistan. The southwest monsoon is primarily driven by the following factors. A. Differential heating. The Indian subcontinent, including Pakistan, heats up significantly during the summer due to its proximity to the equator. Meanwhile, the Indian Ocean remains relatively cooler. This temperature contrast creates a low-pressure system over the landmass and a high-pressure system over the Indian Ocean. Air flows from the high-pressure region, Indian Ocean, to the low-pressure region, land, bringing moisture with it. B. Shift of the Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ. The Intertropical Convergence Zone is a belt near the equator where trade winds from both hemispheres converge. During the summer, the ITCZ shifts northwards, reaching the Indian subcontinent. This shift enhances the convergence of moisture-laden winds, leading to increased rainfall during the monsoon season. Example, in Pakistan, during the monsoon season, cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad, Murree, Sahiwal receive significant rainfall, which is crucial for agricultural activities and replenishing water reservoirs. 2. Western disturbances. Western disturbances are extratropical storms that affect the northern regions of the Indian subcontinent, including Pakistan, during the winter months. These disturbances are associated with mid-latitude westerly winds. Characteristics of western disturbances in Pakistan. Timeframe. Western disturbances typically influence Pakistan's weather from November to March, peaking during December and January. Source of moisture. Unlike the southwest monsoon, western disturbances do not originate from oceans. Instead, they are mid-latitude weather systems that bring moisture from the Mediterranean Sea and Caspian Sea regions. Causes of western disturbances in Pakistan. The main causes of western disturbances are as follows. A. Mid-latitude westerly winds. In the mid-latitudes, westerly winds flow from west to east. These winds carry weather systems, including extratropical cyclones and their associated fronts, towards the Indian subcontinent. B. Interaction with the Himalayas. As the western disturbances move towards the Indian subcontinent, they interact with the Himalayan mountain range. This interaction leads to uplift of air, cooling, and condensation, resulting in cloud formation and precipitation. Example, western disturbances bring winter rains and snowfall to northern areas of Pakistan, such as Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir and parts of Balochistan. This precipitation is crucial for winter crops and contributes to the overall water supply. In conclusion, seasonal variations in precipitation and temperature in Pakistan are driven by the southwest monsoon during the summer and western disturbances during the winter. These natural phenomena are influenced by differential heating, the movement of air masses, and geographical features like mountain ranges. Understanding these patterns helps in planning and adapting to the changing climate and its impacts on various sectors, including agriculture and water resources management. Top of form. Thank you for
Empower your mind by subscribing and sharing this channel. Thank you.